the refrigerator. And so here in the middle, with the larger shelves, you can put more medium to large scale food items.
Makes sense. We're very interested in investing in this product, by the way.
Up top, we have the Butter High-Rise Penthouse that comes standard in every model. The Butter High-Rise Penthouse Estate.
Can I put anything else up there?
No! It is for butter. And in fact, we are going to make a safety bubble to protect the butter from any potential threats.
Shouldn't you leave it up to the customer to choose what they want to put up top?
Hey boss, this guy wants to know why other foods can't go in the Butter High-Rise Penthouse suite.
You mean where the butter goes?
That's what I told him.
No, that's for butter.
Okay. What's this thing called again?